let remaining problems of the total differentiation. Okay, so I'm writing it here. So you also can write with me problems. बघा आता दिसायला पण तुम्हाला थोडंसं चांगलं दिसेल. Problems on based on total differential. आपलं आता हे जे टॉपिक असेल म्हणजे यूट्यूब जे असेल त्याचं हेडिंग हेच असणार आहे, प्रॉब्लेम्स बेस्ड अपॉन टोटल डिफरन्शियल. ओके, इन द प्रिव्हियस लेक्चर, मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण बोललो होतो, मी तुम्हाला म्हटलं की there can be several different types of problems like it's square root of 6.1 किंवा 6.01 square plus 8.01 square. आता याच्या जवळचे जे पूर्ण नंबर्स आहेत, 6.01च्या जवळचा नंबर असेल 6, 8.01च्या जवळचा नंबर असेल 8. So 6 square plus 8 square is 100, root of 100 is 10. So answer of that particular question is 100, sorry, root 100, that is 10. So that is that. But when I change x by, that means first 6 by 0.01 and y is also changed by 0.01, then what happens to the new value of the function? So this type of problems can be called, that is problem of approximation, and these problems can be solved as follows. So in this concern, let's go for one simple example. Actually this given example is given twice in the book, that is again a mistake. So unsolved section मधल्या total differentialच्या खाली पण हा प्रॉब्लेम दिला आहे आणि पुन्हा अनसॉल्व सेक्शन प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व सेक्शनमध्ये पुन्हा हाच प्रॉब्लेम जसाच्या तसा रिपीट केला आहे. सो दॅट इज अ रिपिटेशन, डझंट मॅटर, विल टेक बेनिफिट ऑफ दॅट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स राइट इट्स स्टेटमेंट. दिस इज एक्झाम्पल नंबर third or fourth, I think this is third. Example number 3. Okay, so write this. Using total differential, find the approximate value of the given function is this, in the square bracket, then inside this bracket 3.82 square plus 2 into 2.1 cube and this raised to 1 upon 5. So see this problem, this is 1/5 root of 3.82 square plus 2 into 2.1 cube. Okay, and this is how you have to get the total differential of this. Now let's go for the solution. So before that we must understand, or we must know the we must know how to write this function. मी दिलेल्या फंक्शनचा फॉर्म कसा असेल पहा. So let's write this. Let us consider, so we have to identify this. Let us consider function of the form, adjustment, function of the form. माझं लेक्चर रेकॉर्ड करतोय जस्ट एक अर्धा तास. Let's consider function of the form. Okay, can anyone identify this? This function of the form is f of xy is equal to x square plus twice y cube, that raised to 1 upon 5. So this 3.82 is like x, 2.1 is like y. So I can easily identify where we have put x is equal to 3.82 and y is equal to 2.1. Okay, and therefore from this information I can write x plus delta x is equal to so x plus this is not I have made a mistake here. This statement is not there. हे आपल्याला नको आहे. I can take this x is equal to आता हे जवळ कोणाला आहे 3.824 इज क्लोज टू 4 ओके and 2.1 is close to 2. That's why x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. And now from the problem I can write this x plus delta x is 3.82. Okay, and y plus delta y is 2.1. असं जर असेल I can find out delta x or change in x is 3.82 minus 4. This change in y, delta y is equal to 2.1 minus 2. Delta y will be positive, so it is 0.1. It is positive, and delta x, this can be calculated from this. It gives to be me minus 0.18. So 4 minus 3.82 is to be taken. So that gives you minus 0.18. So delta x is negative, minus 0.18, and delta y is plus or positive, that is 0.1. Okay, now take the total differential of the function. Taking total differential of the function. Total differential of the function, capital F as, we know this formula already, we have written this formula. Sorry, this is not to be written d by f, this is to be df. Total differential is to be df is equal to partial differentiation of f with respect to x into dx plus partial differentiation of f with respect to y into dy. We know all this, हे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. We have seen all this in the earlier lecture. So let's go for this partial differentiation. Now you can go for, now see what is dabba f upon dabba x. So this is dabba x of the bracket. That function was x square plus twice y cube and this raised to, sorry, twice y cube and this entire bracket raised to 1 upon 5. This is my given function. So find out its partial derivative. So कधी आपण, now this derivative will be with respect to this only, so this will remain as it is, but this is in the square root of 5th bracket. So differentiating this, I'll get this to be 1 upon 5 outside of this into x square plus twice y cube raised to 1 by 5 minus 1. So 1 by 5 minus 1, see how much, how which you are taking there, minus 1 differential. जसं आपण differential of x raised to 2 1/2. Okay, d by dx of this comes to be x raised to 1/2 as it is. Sorry, x raised to how we get this differential, square root चे differential केले आपण घेतो, ठीक आहे. So we take this to be root 2, this x raised to किंवा this root x is here into dx असं आपण differential घेतो. तसंच इथे घ्यायला लागेल आपला. So 1 minus 5 minus 1 gives you, if this calculation is done, that comes to be and so and multiplied by, हे घेतल्यानंतर differential of this part in the bracket will come only, this is twice x, and differential of twice y cube with respect to x is 0, that is not expected or not needed. So one gets this is to be 1 by 5 into x square plus twice y cube, this is minus 4 upon 5. Just do this calculation, 1 by 5 minus 1, so this is 5 is denominator. Now here it is 1 minus 5, so this is minus 1 minus 5 is minus 4 upon 5. This is this. Similarly, dabba f upon dabba y, second partial differentiation. Here also this square root bracket is there, so I can write explicitly, this is dabba by dabba y of the bracket x square plus twice y cube that raised to 1 upon 5. So that also gives you 1 upon 5, the bracket x square plus twice y cube that raised to minus 4 upon 5, जसं मागचं घेतलं त्याप्रमाणे, into differential of this is now twice y cube with respect to y, differential of x square with respect to y is 0, so that doesn't come here, so it becomes 6y square. बघा हे सगळ्यांना समजलं का? सो दॅट इज हाऊ आय गॉट एक्स अँड वाय partial differentiation of given. Yes,
I think 2x is remain वरती.
yeah, इथं राहिलेलं आहे माझं. This 2x is remaining. Now use this del by f upon del by x and del by f upon del by y to write our df. Therefore df is equal to, this is 1 by 5 times x square plus twice y cube raised to minus 4 upon 5 into twice x multiplied by dx plus second part is also 1 upon 5 x square plus twice y cube that raised to minus 4 upon 5 into 6y square multiplied by dy into multiplied by dy 6y square multiplied by dy. Isn't it? नाव सबस्टिट्यूट द नंबर्स. आता प्रत्येकाच्या व्हॅल्यू टाका त्या ठिकाणी. एक्स इज इक्वल टू किती आपला एक्स आपण घेतला आहे, एक्स इज इक्वल टू 4, वाय इज इक्वल टू 2 अँड डी एक्स अँड डी वाय इज ऑल्सो नोन. सो सबस्टिट्यूटिंग, राईट इट फर्दर, सबस्टिट्यूटिंग x is equal to 4, y is equal to 2, delta x is equal to minus 0.18 and delta y is equal to how much delta y? It is 0.1. So substitute all these values. So we'll get this df is equal to 1 by 5 into the bracket. Now square of 4 is 16 plus 2y cube, y is 2, y cube is 8, 2 into 8 is again 16, that raised to minus 4 upon 5. Now let me check how many of this, how many of you, तुमच्यापैकी किती लोकांना हे काढता येईल किंवा ह्याची व्हॅल्यू काढता येईल आपण ते बघूया. Then twice x, 2 into x is that is 8 multiplied by dx is minus 0.18. This is numerical calculation plus again 1 upon 5. This is 16 plus 16 raised to minus 4 by 5, minus 4 upon 5 into, this is 6y square. Now y is 2, y square is 4, 6 into 4 is, now this is 24 into 0.1. Okay, now let us say I'll write this as 1 upon 5 and this comes to be 1 upon 16. How? कोणी सांगू शकेल का मला? This is 1 upon 16 into this is 8 multiplied by minus 0.18. मी सांगतो हे कसं केलं ते. तसंच पुढं 1 upon 5, this is again 1 upon 16 and into 24 into 0.1. Okay, आता इथं बघा 16 can be written as, आता खरं 16 plus 16, ओके, इथलं मी काढतो, हे इट्स नॉट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लेम. 16 plus 16 is 32. आता जसं मी लिहितो 2 raised to 1 is 2, 2 raised to 2 is 4, 2 raised to 3 is 8, 2 raised to 4 is 16, 2 raised to 5 is nothing but 32. So this number here, this can be written as, मी थोडंसं खाली लिहितो म्हणजे तुमच्या आणखी लक्षात येईल. So this number say 32 can be written as I have this 16 plus 16 that raised to minus 4 upon 5, isn't it? हे जर मी खाली घेतलं equal to, this is 1 upon, this is 32 that raised to 4 upon 5, बरोबर आहे, is equal to, I can write this is 1 upon 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Okay, not 25, okay, 2 raised to 5 raised to 4 upon 5. So here this 5 and this 5 gets cancelled. मग काय मिळेल तुम्हाला? So that comes to be only 1 upon 2 raised to 4 and 2 raised to 4 from here is nothing but 16. So I got this 16 plus 16 raised to minus 4 upon 5 is 1 upon 16. See here. So this is 16 plus 60 is 32. Addition that gives me 32. 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. since it is in the numerator, it can be taken in the denominator, so it becomes plus, then 2 raised to 5 raised to 4 upon 5. So here इथं पाहिजे तर एक मध्ये स्टेप तुम्ही लिहू शकाल 2 raised to 5 into 4 upon 5. So this 5 and 5 goes, so it becomes simply 2 raised to 4, sorry, this is in the denominator, so 1 upon 2 raised to 4, and that is why it is 1 upon 16. So here in my problem I'll get this to be 1 upon 5. आता हे product काढा. Now this comes to be 1 upon 5. 8 upon 16 is 1 upon 2 into minus 0.18. I won't do this calculation further. Plus here also 24 upon 16. This is 24 upon 80 into 0.1. Okay, and if this entire calculation is done, I am not doing this, you can do with this calculators now. This comes to be minus 0.018 plus 0.03, and that gives me this is to be equal to plus 0.012. So this is my df. But from our function we always know that, but this function f is equal to square root of, now this is आपलं जे function होतं, it was x square plus twice y cube that raised to 1 upon 5. Okay, so if it is done, आता मी जर सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज लिहिल्या फंक्शनच्या एफच्या, this becomes 16 plus 16, this raised to 1 upon 5. So again this is 32 that raised to 1 upon 5. मगाच्या कॅल्क्युलेशन प्रमाणेच this can be written as 2 raised to 5 raised to 1 upon 5, so that it becomes 2 raised to 1 only, and that is 2. So my value of the function is f is equal to 2 plus this additional part df. Therefore the new approximate value okay, there are several problems in our textbook of this type. Approximate value is this is f plus delta f is equal to, this is 2 plus 2 plus 0.012, and answering this or adding this will get 2.012. So this is what we have been given. आपल्याला जो प्रॉब्लेम दिला होता तो असा दिला आहे, you have to calculate 3.82 square plus 2 times 2.1 that raised to 3, and this entire bracket raised to 1 upon 5. This answer comes to be, हे calculator करून पहा, you will exactly get similar answer, that is 2.012. So using this method of total differential, one can solve or one can get this example. So this is one of the very typical and very favorite example for almost all. बऱ्याचशा परीक्षांमध्ये या प्रकारचे examples येतात. Method is just same, only you have to go for this type of calculations, calculate partial differentiations with respect to x and y, then write this total differential in this format, solve the values. Of course you have to identify, इथं तुम्हाला x आणि y काय, फंक्शनचा फॉर्म काय तो आयडेंटिफाय करायला लागेल आणि मगच पुढचा पार्ट घ्यायला लागेल. सो चेक व्हॉट इज डेल्टा एक्स वेदर इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह, व्हॉट इज डेल्टा वाय वेदर इट इज पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह, रिप्लेस द नंबर, सॉल्व दॅट, आणि मग येणारं ॲक्च्युअल फंक्शन म्हणजे तुम्ही जे ॲज्युम केलं आहे फॉर्म ऑफ द फंक्शन त्याची व्हॅल्यू प्लस वॉट एव्हर व्हॅल्यू वी आर गेटिंग बाय डेल्टा एफ. समटाइम्स दिस डेल्टा एफ मे कम पॉझिटिव्ह और निगेटिव्ह. समजा हा नंबर पण निगेटिव्ह असता दुसरा तर दिस वुड हॅव बीन निगेटिव्ह, देन माय एफ प्लस डेल्टा एफ वुड हॅव बीन एफ minus that delta f value अशी पण आली असती. So you have to be careful about this, and this type of numerical example may be asked in examination where we have to carry out this type of problems. Okay, so I'll just give one exercise there तुम्हाला नंतरच्यासाठी. You can solve this at your home. Try to solve this particular example from the unsolved section. Okay, I'll just give this example. There is yes, there is example number 16 in the unsolved section. Unsolved section. This is find the this is example number 16. Find the approximate value of approximate value of square root of 2.99 square plus 3.99 square using method of total differential. Method of total differential. Method of total differential. So you can very easily imagine. आता इथं सुद्धा आपण पाहिजे तर सोडवायचा प्रयत्न करू within few minutes. Solution. This is from unsolved section. These are the two important problems VIMP. किमान एकदा तरी परीक्षेत कुठं ना कुठे हे विचारले जाणार both of these problems. So here also the form of the function is it is f of xy is equal to, this is square root of x square plus y square, where this x is equal to, now this is 3, close to 3, and y is equal to 4. No, माझं चुकतंय मगाशी म्हणलं. This is x plus delta x is equal to 2.99 and y, okay, I'll write this here, y plus delta y is equal to 3.99. So that gives me delta x is equal to, इथं दिसतंय ना आपल्याला, I can take this x is equal to close to 3. So x can be taken to be 3 and y can be taken to be 4. So these given numbers are x plus, this delta x change is negative. So this is 2.99 minus 3 and this is delta y is equal to 3.99 minus 4, putting values of x and y. So I'll get delta x is negative, that is minus 0.01. Delta y is also negative, this is minus 0.01. Both x and y are same. Okay, now using total differential, okay, let's go for this. df is equal to partial differential of f with respect to x keeping y constant into dx plus partial differential of f with respect to y keeping x constant multiplied by dy. You can write square bracket here. So this is dabba by dabba x of the function is given to be x square plus y square raised to half. Okay, square root means raised to half into dx plus dabba by dabba y of, this is also x square plus y square that raised to half multiplied by dy. मागच्या example पेक्षा हे थोडंसं सोपं आहे. So this comes to be 1/2 outside of this, so it is x square plus y square raised to 1/2 minus 1 comes to be minus half into differential of this is twice x multiplied by dx. Same is here, this is also 1/2 out of the bracket, x square plus y square that raised to minus half into twice y multiplied by dy. Solve this, you'll get this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, so it is x upon x square plus y square that raised to half, वरती असताना raised to minus half होता, खाली आता plus half will into dx plus again this 2 and this 2 cancels, here also this 2 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator that gets cancelled, and therefore it is also twice, sorry, y into dy upon x square plus y square that raised to 1/2. So replacing the numbers, replacing x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4, delta x is equal to minus 0.01, delta y is equal to minus 0.012. So we'll get df is equal to, this is 3 upon 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16 raised to half into 0.01 with negative sign plus 4 divided by 9 plus 16 that raised to 1 by 2 multiplied by minus 0.01. So do this calculation. It's very simple. Now 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 raised to 1 half. Square root of 25 is 5. So this is df is equal to 3 upon 5 with negative sign multiplied by 0.01 minus this is 4 upon 5 into 0.01. So do this calculation. You will get df is equal to, now I am not doing all these calculations here. This comes to be minus 0.014 करून बघा. You do it at home किंवा नंतर करून बघा. This comes to minus 0.014. Okay, now the function, आता जे आपण व्हॅल्यूज मांडलेले आहेत with that functions with x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4, f of xy gives me root of x square plus y square, so that is root of x square is 9, y square is 16, so that is root of 25 and therefore it is 5. So f of xy using the standard values, this is equal to 5, therefore f plus delta f is equal to, this is 5 minus 0.014, this is f, this is delta f, and using this new function or the value of this function is, if I calculate this, it comes to be 4 point, okay, minus this 4 point, this comes to be 986, and thus therefore the given function, that is therefore root of 2.99 square plus 3.99 square root of, okay, this is equal to 4.986. Okay, this is the answer. So remember both of these examples, one is from solved section as well as one is from unsolved section. So we have covered all this here. In examination it is not guaranteed that every time you will ask by same problem. हाच प्रॉब्लेम विचारला जाईल असं नाही. आय कॅन चेंज. इथं मला 2.99च्या ऐवजी 3.01 करता आलं असतं. 3.99च्या ऐवजी 4.01 मी करू शकलो असतो. अगेन प्रॉब्लेम विल बी डिफरंट. So just by changing one of the number by fraction 0.01 or 0.02, the problem becomes a different one, but the method here is just same. So try to understand both of these problems that what we have solved here, which are giving the approximate values of some function, provided we understand the method with where we have to find out what is dx, what is dy, what is the form of the function, how to get its partial differential and so on. Okay, आणि असंच एक पुढचं आहे. I am just giving now this one exercise. So this is third example of the same type using method of total differential. Write this, method of total differential, method of total differential. Find the approximate value of, find the approximate value of okay. नॉट आपण हा सोडवायचा प्रयत्न करूया किंवा नको करूया. दिस इज गिवन टू बी 6.01 फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस 8.01 स्क्वेअर and that raised to half. Tapa, this is as good as 6 square, this is 8 square, 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So 64 plus 36 is 100, root of 100 is 10. So this example, आता दोन्ही पॉझिटिव्ह असल्यामुळे this value will be just greater than 10. So what is that greater? That is to be calculated here. So I am not solving this at home. Just try, work out this example and get the value. I am giving this answer of this question is, answer here comes to be 10.014. Okay, 10.014. आता आणखी एक टिपिकल प्रॉब्लेम्स ऑफ दिस टाईप वेरेस यापेक्षा थोडासा वेगळा प्रकारचा आपण एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. दॅट इज वन न्यूमेरिकल एक्झाम्पल फ्रॉम आवर टेक्स्टबुक that will be take here. Okay, that's a unsolved section मधलंच आपण एक एक्झाम्पल घेऊया. Example, this is example number 18. Unsolved section, example number 18. So write the statement first. किंवा असे खूप एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत इन आवर टेक्स्टबुक. सेव्हरल एक्झाम्पल्स आर देअर विच आर हॅव्हिंग दिस टाईप ऑफ फॉर्मॅट. सो यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट नाऊ एरर्स. याचे अजून काही एक्झाम्पल्स घ्यायचे आहेत, बट दॅट विल बी द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. वन ऑफ द एक्झाम्पल विल टेक हिअर अँड देन विल स्टॉप हिअर. द रेजिस्टन्स कॅपिटल आर, resistance capital R of a uniform wire of length L and radius R. Length L and radius R is given by capital R is equal to sigma, this is resistivity constant, divided by pi r square. Here this sigma is specific resistance. If error in the measurement of length and radius are 2% and 3% respectively, find the maximum possible possible percentage error in resistance. Okay, now why this problem is very familiar? कारण आपल्याला माहिती आहे आपण बरेचसे प्रॅक्टिकल्स करतो. सगळ्या प्रॅक्टिकल्समध्ये जे काही तुम्हाला मेजर करायचं असेल ते थोडं कुठेतरी चुकतं, त्यामुळे आपल्याला फायनल आन्सर जे आपलं ते चुकतं. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ज्यावेळेस आपण अर्थ ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल कॉन्स्टंट काढतो, तो कॉन्स्टंट बऱ्याच वेळा 9.81 येण्याच्या ऐवजी कधी 10 येतो, कधी 8.5 येतो, वगैरे. दॅट हॅपन्स बिकॉज ऑफ द एरर्स वी मेड इन द मेजरमेंट ऑफ द डिपेंडंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज. हिअर ऑल्सो वी आर मेजरिंग लेंथ अँड वी आर मेजरिंग आर. वी आर मेकिंग सर्टन percentage errors in the measurement of that quantities, and that gives me 3% or 2% and 3%, and therefore total or maximum possible percentage error in the measurement of R is to be calculated. Okay, आता पहा, percentage error is given by this formula. Change that is called as error in measurement divide by ओरिजिनल व्हॅल्यू, म्हणजे त्याची जी ॲक्च्युअल व्हॅल्यू असायला पाहिजे त्याच्यापेक्षा वेगळी व्हॅल्यू, इंटू 100. आता मला इथे दिसायचं आहे 2% अपॉन कसं काढूया आपण, पर्सेंटेज एरर इज गिवन बाय ओके. ॲक्च्युली पर्सेंटेज एरर हे नको आहे मला, दिस इज नॉट हिअर. दिस 100 पर्सेंटेज एरर इज गिवन बाय चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिवाइड बाय ओरिजिनल क्वांटिटी इंटू 100. बरोबर, तेच मी आता जे लिहिलं होतं तेच आहे ते. दिस इज 100. ओके, सो पर्सेंटेज एरर इन लेंथ ओके इज इक्वल टू 2%. and percentage error in radius is 3%. ओके, आणि ॲब्सोल्यूट एरर जे म्हणतो आपण त्याला, सो इफ आय एम नॉट डेकिंग दिस 100 देअर, म्हणजे त्यांनी मल्टिप्लाय नाही केलं तर ॲब्सोल्यूट एरर्स error is simply dA upon A, म्हणजे or change in quantity divided by this. Therefore I'll get absolute error in length is 2 upon 100, so that is 0.02. आणि in radius, हे पुन्हा एकदा पुढच्या लेक्चरला आणखी आपण दोन प्रॉब्लेम घेऊया. सो दिस कम्स टू बी 0.03. So 100% म्हणजे percent 100 ने multiply केला, I'll get 2% here. If I multiply by 100 there, I'll get 3%. So the absolute error in the measurement of length is 0.02. That is what absolute error in the measurement of radius is 0.03. त्यामुळे आपला जो प्रॉब्लेम आहे, the example we have been given here, r is equal to sigma L divided by pi r square. ओके, आता पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला लॉग घ्यायचा दोन्ही साईडचा. सो सी द मेथड, लॉग ऑफ कॅपिटल आर किंवा नॅचरल लॉग ऑफ आर, ln ऑफ आर इज इक्वल टू ln ऑफ सिग्मा प्लस ln ऑफ एल. नाव दिस इज इन द न्युमिरेटर. खालच्या डिनोमिनेटरच्या क्वांटिटीसाठी मी निगेटिव्ह घेऊ शकतो, मायनस ln ऑफ पाय मायनस 2 ln ऑफ आर. किती लोकांना हे समजेल बघा. दिस इज log a upon b can be written as log a minus log b, but log a upon this is this log of a upon b square. असं जर असेल, this is log of a minus this 2 comes here into log of b like this, and we have to differentiate. आता इथं टोटल डिफरन्शिएट न वापरता just differentiate this both sides, differentiating both sides. Okay, now differentiating, आता कुठलंही डिफरन्शियल घेतलं की डिफरन्शियल d by dx of log of x is 1 upon x into dx. Differential of log of x is equal to 1 upon x into dx. So this gives me dr upon r. This gives me 0 because this is a constant, so differential of that is simply 0. This gives me small dl upon l. The next is again ln pi is a constant, so its differential is 0, and minus 2 into this gives me dr upon r. ओके, अजून एक काही बरेचसे एक्झाम्पल्स आहेत. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल आपण नेक्स्ट ह्याच्यामध्ये घेऊया. सो दॅट गिव्ज मी, आता मला इथं कळेल, आय एम आस्क्ड मॅक्सिमम पॉसिबल एरर, मॅक्सिमम पॉसिबल पर्सेंटेज एरर. नाउ whenever we are asked maximum, असं म्हटलं की वॉट एवर क्वांटिटीज ऑन द राईट हँड साईड निगेटिव्ह दॅट आर टू बी मेड टू बी पॉझिटिव्ह. सो dr upon r is equal to simply dl upon l plus 2 into dr upon r. मॅक्झिमम हा शब्द आला नसता तर हे निगेटिव्ह असतं. मॅक्झिमम शब्द आल्यामुळं हे तुम्हाला पॉझिटिव्ह करायला लागेल. अँड इफ आय मल्टिप्लाय इट बाय 100 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, 100 into r upon dr upon r is equal to 100 into dl upon l plus 2 into 100 multiplied by dr upon r. And this is what the quantities we have written up earlier. So I have written this to be 2%, and this is to be written to be 2 into this 100 into dr upon dr. Absolute error was 0.03, percentage error was 100 into 0.03, that is 3%. So it is 3%. Therefore this is 2 plus 6%, 2% plus 6%, and therefore it is 8%. That means measurement of resistance will be made an error of around 8%. So the total percentage error 8% आपलं उत्तर चुकणार आहे. Percentage error in the measurement of resistance of wire will be 8%. Okay, 8%. इफ वी डोंट हॅव, आपल्याला कळलं मग मगाशी मी दिलेल्याच्याप्रमाणे एकाच्यात 2%, दुसऱ्याच्यात 3% असं केलं तर दिस आन्सर विल बी ओनली 5%. दिस इज रॉंग. सो आपल्याला अल्जेब्राप्रमाणे आपण गेलो तर दिस आन्सर विल बी 5%, बट दिस इज रॉंग because it has to follow this method, and that shows that the error in the measurement of percentage error in the measurement of resistance of wire will be not 5%, but it will be 8% like this. So here we are not exactly using this total differential, but we are using this method here. So these are the 3 important problems I wanted to cover in this today's lecture. Maybe in the next lecture few more problems about this same याच्यासाठीच काही problems आहेत salt section मधले, that we will cover here. So now I am stopping here. Our time is over, so we'll get the rest here.